Okay. Oh, there's a little cart. These kids are driving down the snow in this cart. Here's our house. I'm on the porch. This is all the snow. There's our lights that are covered. There's the tree and all the snow on the trees there. It's crazy. Look how pretty the tree looks. Wow, and there's our neighbor's house and all the snow. Gosh, look at that. So here's our snowstorm for the year. There's our front steps. And it's still snowing. Bye.
And this is out the back on our deck. And this is from the kitchen. And this is upstairs at the front. Upstairs from the side.
Here's some more snow from our bedroom window. Wow. Look at that. That's our neighbor's car. Covered with snow. Wow. Biggest snowstorm we've had all year. And there's Crunchy Munch. Going, what's all the commotion?
Crunch.
Hello, baby.
The fella got it in them to see it is a very presentable opportunity to have a Premier League double over Manchester United.
Hi.
People
On the way out?